Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session. We got $150 on the balance. We are gonna open position for the maximum deposit amount as usual, and today we are gonna get a good profit. We trade on a 1 minute time frame. All the currency pairs have been picked with a better payout rate. Let's also choose several indicators like the alligator and zigzag. We're gonna trade with the trend, and it's time to get started and find the most promising currency pair. Let's start analyzing. So here I think we should open a long position following the trend direction. We are playing ahead of the market. The moving average are facing downwards, so the price should go up because there is a good correction here, and then here after the first correction the price went to the upside. Then there was a touch of the support zone, after which I am expecting the price to go up. The local low was updated here, and basically I'm sure that we opened correctly, guys, and the price should have upward dynamics in the short term. Even if we are gonna see a low utility movement, it doesn't matter. So look at this huge pump, guys. The breakout has happened and the first position has been closed in profit, guys. We are gonna update the trade amount and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing and open position, a long position here following the trend direction. We observe the upward dynamics, the updating of the local low did happen here. And theory, the price should move upwards in this the short term. By the way, there was a good correction here. The price went sideways. And after which there is gonna be a rebound here, and the price should move upwards. Actually, this is not the best trade entry level, but it's fine. The price should go to the upside anyway, and I'm expecting to see the breakout at the end, and the position will be in profit, guys. Look. There we go, the position is in the profit, guys, exactly as I predicted. There are $541 on the balance. Let's put down all the money in trade amount and change the currency pair. Let's carry on analyzing following the trend direction. This is a good one. We observe a strong upward dynamics here. There was a small correction, after which the price should go up because the moving average are facing upwards. Also, there was a touch of the resistance zone, so this correction is absolutely healthy here. Let's point out this price range, and basically there is nothing move to add here. This is super simply. The price will go up. There was a touch of the zone. We see the rebound here, and we are gonna see the same things right here, and this is exactly what's happening. There are 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. Another position has been closed with a profit, guys. There are almost $1,000 on the balance, updating the trade amount as usual, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's carry on trading session. Well, what is here? Let's open a short position, guys. Looks like we got a nice trade entry, and the price should not go to the upside. We see the alligator jaws are facing downwards. We observe the downward dynamics on the chart. Here is a small pullback, after which I'm expecting the price to go lower. It should go into a correction, and the position was opened correctly. There was nothing complicated, guys. Better the price closed as lower as possible. It's gonna help us feel safe. This is exactly what's happening. If we're gonna have the pullback now, it's not gonna bother us. There are around 5 seconds left before the closing, and another position is in a profit, guys. Very nice, there we go, as simple as that. Let's put down the highest trade amount and find the next currency pair. I see a good payout rate here, that's why we are gonna open a long position. We observe a very strong correction here. If we look at the price dynamics, the local low has to be updated here, and then the price should go upwards. So this correction at this level, quite strong one. Meanwhile, all the moving average are facing upward, and I think we opened correctly, playing ahead of the market. The previous candle went a little high. It's possible that we are gonna expect the further correction. However, the breakout has already happened. There are nothing more to worry about, exactly as we expected. Super easy trade entry, guys. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. Actually, we don't even brainstorm here today. We open the chart, and the good trade entry is on the silver platter. Another position has been closed in profit, guys. Let's find the next currency pair. We are gonna look at these payout rates. So let's open 2 short positions here. I will select the workspace. We release that the more upward dynamics prevails, and here we observe the pullback, and then the price should go lower into the further correction. And this was kind of simple trade entry, and like I said, guys, the price went lower, and it's probably heading down to this level. Let's point it out, the support zone, and probably then there are gonna be another rebound or not, doesn't matter. However, we see the massive correction here, downward dynamics. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing. And another position is in the profit, guys. Very clear and simple. And let's change the currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. Well, again, we are gonna open 4 short positions here. I don't consider it irrational. Actually, we've managed to get a profitable payout rate, and the principle is super simple, guys. Alligator jaws are facing downward, following the trend. Look at this pullback, after which we are gonna see the further downward dynamics. Basically, the previous support was here, and after this rally to the upside, we have this long lasting downward dynamics, and we already see some volatility here. The breakdown is gonna happen like 100%, and our position should end up in profit, guys. And let's watch the price movement. Very nice. Another position have been closed in profit, guys. We got $8,000 on the balance, and let's change the currency pair in order to consolidate our gains and open final 8,000 position. We are interested in the most profitable payout rate, and let's open 8 long position here. I think there is no mistake. Opening a long is a good option here. Look at this upward dynamics, guys. I will point out the workspace, all the alligators jaws. Moving average are facing upward. Basically, we observe this red candle here, a small correction, and it tells us that the price should go upward in the short term, following the uptrend. And basically, we have low volatility here, so my prediction should become a reality. There is nothing complicated, and there are 20 seconds left before the closing. Let's watch the price moving, guys. Almost 5 seconds. Okay, very nice. So, and again, we in profit, guys, but actually several positions ended up with zero. This is not big deal. We got $9,700 on the balance. Then let's open our final position and let's find the next currency pair for that. And again, we are interested in the highest payout rate. So let's take a look. The crossing has happened here, and this is our chance. Guys, let's open our long position. I think the price should go to the upside. We will point out the workspace. The support zone has played out. We've already traded these currency pairs, and the price was rejected from there all the time. Really strong support, guys. All the moving average have reversed. The crossing did happen, and now they are facing upwards. Good trade entry level, healthy volatility, but I don't think that the price is gonna skyrocket directly. The updating of the local high is happening now, and after this downward dynamics is over, then the price will go to the upside. There are several seconds left before the closing, and there we go. All the currency pairs have been closed in profit, guys. This is magnificent outcome, and let's withdraw. I guess 10 seconds left. 10,000 basically. We've made good more money today. I am happy with it, guys. There are almost 20,000 on the balance, moving on the withdrawal, and let's do this. So let it be $10,000. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. Yes, transaction is being processed, and I will attach the screen where it's finished. So thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.